Hi guys, welcome to another video. And today we are in Taylor's town. He brought, since I had my surgery yesterday, well, kind of surgery at the Children's Hospital to get my nose fixed, he got me this present. So we're going to be opening this today because it's really special. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, got the book out. Pretty cool. Okay, and back out. Okay, so we got our Detective Pikachu card. Okay, then we got code card. Then, okay, we got the token that I can't get out. Token, and then we got 3 packs. 3 booster packs. And then, okay, I'm just gonna open this one first. This is just gonna be a quick video, and it's really special because it's from Taylor, my best friend. Okay. Porygon. We got a Alolan Rattata. We got a Porygon. We got a Pepper. An Esper. We got a Passage, and yes, we got a Beware. Oh, and I forgot to guess the energy card, but it's behind this card. I'm gonna guess behind this one, I think. Okay, we got a Mellostick, and the energy is an electric type. We were wrong, guys. Ooh. Don't think I have this one yet. Then we got this Bufflet and a Simpor. This one's pretty cool. It's like the rarest card in this pack. Okay. Actually, I don't think I have that foil card yet. I have it, but not in foil.
Lisa, I wanted to watch you open your packs.
Okay, so we got a Psyduck. We got a Charmander. We got a Bulbasaur. And we got a Mewtwo, guys. And Lincoln just came in. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. This is the last pack. Okay. So, we got the first card is... Okay, so we got a Snubbull. Then we got a Magikarp. And a Bulbasaur. Oh, we got a rare card! I don't have this card yet in the Detective Pikachu yet. The Detective Pikachu packs. We got a Machamp.
I have him.
Okay,
I have him.
that was the end of this video, guys.
Mason?
Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And make sure all the notifications are on. And see you in another video, guys. Okay, sorry guys, I forgot to tell you something. Look up, go on YouTube and check out Taylor's Town, I think it is. Yeah, because he's the one that gave me that box for my present, so make sure to check out his videos. Okay, see you next time, guys.